JPMorgan's actually out with its fourth quarter results. Leslie Picker has those results, and she joins us right now. Hi, Leslie.
Hey, Becky. Yeah, going through these results right now, I see for EPS, the company reporting $5.23 per share. That is excluding the impact from the Apple Card, which impacted EPS by about 60 cents per share. You can see shares up about 1% on these results. Top line was a beat, coming in at $46.767 billion. Analysts were expecting $46.2 billion for EPS. Net income, $13.025 billion. That was down about 7%. Investment banking fees down about 5% year over year and 11% quarter over quarter. Looking at net charge-offs again, that was impacted by that Apple Card forward purchase, which resulted in about a $2.1 billion reserve build here. Book value per share in the quarter coming in at $126.99 per share. In the release, we have some commentary from Chairman and CEO Jamie Dimon, who said the U.S. economy has remained resilient. While labor markets have softened, conditions do not appear to be worsening. So, some kind of optimistic commentary there. Meanwhile, consumers continue to spend and businesses generally remain healthy. These conditions could persist for some time, particularly with ongoing fiscal stimulus, the benefits of deregulation, and the Fed's recent monetary policy. However, as usual, we remain vigilant, he says, and the markets seem to underappreciate the potential hazards, including from complex geopolitical conditions, the risk of sticky inflation, and elevated asset prices. So shares up about 2% on these fourth quarter results right now, continuing to dig through the release, and we'll let you know what we find, guys.
Very interesting. Leslie, especially those comments from Jamie Dimon, we're always eager to hear his views on both the economy and the markets. So the economy looks good, but the risk manager in him still sits up and pays attention. Geopolitical conditions, the risk of sticky inflation, like you mentioned, that's a really interesting one, too.
The Dow's now.
Yeah, exactly.
Pre-market, it was down.
Well, JPMorgan's up 1.75%.
That's why I said it.
That's the big deal for it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Leslie, thank you.